Today we are cooking Korean barbecue. First thing,
Sebastian, give me your plate.
we eat the salad. And then you have to put the meat in the grill.
Put some squid.
Put some any meat in the grill they give you. Like this. So make sure you cut the meat to make it smaller pieces. And then you flip the meat like this. Other one, same thing, like this. So make sure you cut it for the smaller pieces. When the food is ready, make sure you take them. It has to be cooked like this. Then you put it in your plate. And then enjoy. For the chicken, you take it out of your grill like this, and then make sure you cut like this. And it's so good. Now it's time to eat the other food. Make sure you cut it.
Why do you need the shrimp? The shrimp?
Like this.
Okay.
After you're done. Or if you want, you can put beef tongue in the grill. And add some shrimp in the grill. So when it's cooked, it should be something like this. After it's done cooking the beef tongue. Now I'm going to show you how to put the brisket in the grill. So this is the ready one. And make sure you flip the beef tongue.
I'll open the shrimp for you, Sebastian, okay?
So this is how you cook Korean barbecue. I can subscribe to my channel.